Hi, it's Future from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a continuation of dart manipulation using the pivot method. But the only difference this time is that we're gonna be using the one dart bodice block instead. So this is our first style. So what we're gonna do is to move the waist dart to the shoulder tip. Just mark where you wanna send the dart to, which is the shoulder tip. Take your pin, place it on the bust point. Now start tracing from the shoulder tip. First leg of the waist dart, pivot to close, continue tracing. Until we get to the shoulder tip where we started. Remove your pattern, mark your bust point, get your ruler and draw the dart legs. Just like that. Back off from the bust point by 1.5 to 2 centimeters and redraw your dart legs again. I've already shown you two methods how to finish this kind of darts. You have to watch my first video if you haven't watched it already. That's where I give you all the clear instructions on how to deal with all this excess. This is our second style, which is the French dart. We're gonna be moving our waist dart into the French dart area, which is along the side seam here. Place your pattern and place your pin on the bust point. Then start tracing from where you want to send your dart. It doesn't matter which direction you take, it will still come to the same thing, okay? Center front. Waist, first leg of the first dart and pivot it close. Continue tracing until we get to where we started, which is right here. Lift your pattern, get your ruler, mark your bust point. Draw the dart legs. Back off from the bust point 1.5 to 2 centimeters and redraw your dart legs again. Okay, that's complete. This is our next style. So what we're doing here is just to move the waist dart to the side bust dart. Place the pin on the bust point, choose where you want to send your dart, start tracing from that position. First leg of the waist dart, pivot and close. Continue tracing the rest of the waist until we get to the position where we started, right here. Lift your pattern, mark your bust point, and trace the dart legs. Back off from the bust point by 1.5 to 2 centimeters and retrace your dart legs. That's it, right? This is our next style. What we're gonna do is just to move our waist dart to the armhole. We just choose a location on the armhole first. Place your pin. Start tracing from the armhole, whichever direction you deem fit. First leg of the waist dart, pivot and close. Continue tracing. Until we get to the armhole where we started, right here. Mark your bust point and draw in the dart legs. Move away 1.5 to 2 centimeters from the bust point and redraw your dart legs. That's it there, we've moved our dart. Next style, we're moving our waist dart to the mid shoulder point. Okay, so we just choose where we want to send our dart. Get the pin, put it in place on the bust point, and start tracing from the mid shoulder point, whichever direction you want to take. First leg of the waist dart, pivot to close, continue tracing until we get to where we started. Right here. Lift your pattern, mark your bust point, draw the dart legs in, back off 1.5 to 2 centimeters from the bust point, and redraw the dart legs. Next one, style number 6. We're moving our waist dart into the neck area. So you just choose where you want to send your dart. Get the pin, put it on the bust point, and start tracing from our point there. First leg of the waist dart, pivot to close, continue tracing until we get where we started, right here. Lift your pattern, mark your bust point, draw the dart legs, move away from the bust point 1.5 to 2 centimeters, and redraw your dart legs, just like that. So this is our final style. We're gonna be moving the waist dart into the center front neck area right here. Okay, so mark that place on the bodice block, and then place your pin, start tracing. To the first leg of the waist dart, pivot and close, and continue to trace, and continue to trace until we get to this point where we started. Lift your pattern, mark the bust point, draw in the dart legs, move away about 1.5 to 2 centimeters as usual, redraw your dart legs. Just like that. By now, I believe you are all very confident on how to use this pivot method. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that when I upload next, you'll be notified. Thank you.